Look at this bowl of food. Hair food, that is. Let me show you how I made this Ayurvedic strengthening mask for my fine, low porosity hair. First, we start off with henna powder, which is great for promoting hair growth, restoring damaged hair strands, deep conditioning the hair, deep cleaning the hair. It's antifungal as well as antimicrobial, which is great for scalp health. We then move on to brahmi powder, which is great for strengthening hair follicles, adding shine and luster to the hair, reducing hair fall, and nourishing and conditioning the hair. We also add about 2 tablespoons of shikakai powder, which is a natural cleanser. It removes dandruff. It makes the hair soft and shiny, and it also soothes the scalp. Next, we use my favorite amla powder, which is great for improving hair texture, preventing premature graying, strengthening the hair roots, as well as balancing the scalp's pH. We then mix our powders together, which is about 2 tablespoons each, and then we add some warm water that we boiled, and we mix all of these ingredients together, creating a paste. Then we're gonna add one of my favorite powders, which is the hibiscus powder. I made this by blending up some hibiscus flowers to create about 2 tablespoons of the hibiscus powder. I didn't have some on hand, so I had to blend it up to make it myself. I add this to the paste that we mixed in with the water and the other powders, and we mix all of these ingredients together to continue to create the paste. And this is the results. Mixing all of these ingredients together created this beautiful, rich paste or Ayurvedic mask that we are going to leave for about 8 hours or overnight. And the reason we do this is because henna and most of these powders need at least 8 hours to release the goodness that's within it to make sure that it does what it needs to do on your hair, which is to strengthen, moisturize, and nourish the hair, as well as help with improving the color of your hair. Here I am adding a blending of avocado and aloe vera together, which is great for promoting hair growth, moisturizing and hydrating the hair, reducing damage, protecting against damage as well too, reducing dandruff, strengthening the hair, and promoting shine to the hair. I add this to the mask then the following day, making sure to mix in all of these ingredients thoroughly. This mask, guys, is so great and potent for your hair, especially if you have any kind of heat damage or your hair is just a bit lackluster and it needs to be restored to its glory. I love using this mask every 6 weeks on my hair. I'm not a big, I don't use hair dryers, or I'm not a big person in terms of like heating my hair once I've conditioned and washed my hair. So I use this just to make sure that my hair is just in the best, healthiest shape possible, because I have really fine hair and I need to make sure that everything that I'm doing to my fine hair is good. Look at the rich, beautiful color of this hair mask. Guys, once you use this hair mask, you are going to love it. Here I am adding some of my Ayurvedic hair oil. This is just to add some more moisturizing and some more goodness to the mask to make sure that it penetrates into the hair strands deeply and hydratingly. And now I'm adding another favorite of mine, which is honey, which is a humectant and great for low porosity hair, since it attracts moisture out of the environment and traps it into your hair. That's what humectants do. So by adding honey to this mixture, you're adding more hydration and more moisture to your hair. This mask is thebomb.com. I swear by it. I absolutely love it. I use it every 6 weeks and my hair is thriving. My hair loves this mask. I would absolutely love it if you give it a try. Comment below and tell me if you've ever made an Ayurvedic mask and if you would actually give this one a try. Look at that color. You cannot tell me you don't want to put this on your hair or even drink it. It looks like a rich bowl of soup or porridge that you would drink, but it's for your hair. And please note, all of these ingredients are actually really good for your hair. It's actually really good for eating, so it's also really good for your body as well too. I lost some footage, but here I am sitting under my hooded dryer for about an hour and allowing the heat and the mask to do its thing on my low porosity hair. I love this. And here is a picture of after I'm finished. Let me know if you will give this a try and comment below. Thank you so much for watching.